What's up, everyone? I'm here in Astoria, Queens, in front of Napoli Pizza and Pasta. This business suffered a horrific fire last year, but they recently reopened. It's one of my favorite spots in Astoria for Italian food, and I want to see what's changed. So let's go in. The front counter, the owner Tony, and they have a very nice seating area in the back. It looks very nice inside. They redid the floors, much brighter. Perfect. They did a really good job with the inside. New brickwork, new flooring. It's much brighter. It's open every day of the week from 11 to 11. Slice of pizza here is $3, very reasonable. This restaurant has really kept its low prices even after reopening. It's rare to find prices this low for Italian food. This is their garlic bread. Napoli's garlic bread. Really, really good. Tons and tons of garlic flavor on it. Butter just perfectly. Yeah. Very crunchy. Excellent dish here at Napoli. This is the pasta alla Napoli. I got penne, there's chicken, plum tomatoes in here, chicken broth. This thing is amazing, and mushrooms. Pasta alla Napoli. Get some mushrooms, some chicken in here. Kind of hot, so I'm gonna have to blow this. And you can get this with like spaghetti if you want to, or any other pasta they have. Linguine, it's excellent. I mean, pasta is very good. Generous chunks of chicken, mushrooms, and this is only 14 bucks. What a bargain. Definitely 2 thumbs up. This is one of their highlight dishes here.